SEO. Now, what is SEO? SEO firstly stands for Search Engine Optimization. Here, SEO is the process of optimizing our online content so that the search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of a certain keywords. Okay, now you would have seen in MCA, like in More Customers app, we have SEO. You can do it on three levels. First is site level, second is category level, and third one is on product level. So first I will show you how you can do it on site level. Just go to the SEO tab under marketing, click over here. Now here you can see the manage meta title, manage meta keywords, and manage meta description. Now we will start with meta title. What is meta title generally? See, first of all, the meta title length should be in between 60 to 70 characters, because Google typically displays 50 to 60 characters, and if you are uploading these many characters, then 90% of our titles will display in the records properly. Okay, it is of optimal title length should be there. In that you can provide like a title which you will give to your store. Like as of now here I have written for my store, Stylic is a unique platform where you can buy variety of clothes for your family. So you can mention in short, in kind of short description for your store, that can be written over in the meta title. And this meta titles hovers on the like suppose if I am opening my site in the another tab, and when I click over there in the tab, I will see the title which I have mentioned here in the above section. So this generally is a meta title. So in this way we will mention meta title for our website. Next comes for meta keywords. Now meta keywords are a specific type of meta tags that will appear in the HTML code of web page. Okay, whatever keywords you are mentioning here, it will appear in the HTML code, and that will help the search engines like what the topic, like what content we are having, what details of the products we are having, what products we are sharing on the store, that all things can be captured with the help of meta keywords. Okay, so here you can mention, as if now I am selling clothes online. So what I can mention in meta keywords, I can mention it is a fashion store, what all products I have. Let's say I have a kids combination, kids combo, I have gym wear, yoga wear, men's wear, fashionable sarees, and so all these things are meta keywords. Like whichever thing you feel that the customer will search on Google more, and so that you can mention onto your meta keywords. As in like suppose if I am on a clothes store. Okay, so what I'll mention, I will mention clothes store. Okay, so here you can mention all these kinds of things in meta keywords. Next comes is meta description. Now meta description tag in HTML is approx to 160 character snippet. It is used to summarize a web page content. Okay, it is generally used to summarize the web page content. This totally a website is known as web page, and here they can just you can mention the summary about your store, that what would you like to inform about your store, what is your store basically of. Okay, so that all details can be mentioned in meta description in about 160 characters. So once I have mentioned all these things, I will just click on save. So this was on site level. Okay, now if you want to do it on category level also, so just we will click on catalog. We can go to categories. Here on clicking on editing, you can see the second option, which is SEO. So here my category is accessory. In case I want to mention anything about my category, so what I'll mention in SEO is like about the category, same way a small title, here a small description and a small keywords. You can mention the keywords and title and description same way as we did on site level. So this was the thing which we can do on category level. If we are working on any of the particular categories properly, that can be done over here. Same way we can do it on the product levels also. Okay, we will go to any of the products, and here you can see we have like many of the products. I will just click on the edit option. Now here we will go to SEO tags. We will click over here. Again, in the detail of the product, you can mention the title, the keywords, and the description as we have. Suppose we are having this product name as Slim Fit Blue Jeans. Okay, so here we can mention the title of this product. Okay, that's Slim Fit Blue Jeans, best product on Stylic. So this way we can mention how keywords we can keep. That slim blue jeans, that can be a keyword. Okay, else slim fit jeans, that can be a keyword. So these all are keywords which we can mention product wise also, for doing product wise SEO as we did for category wise and for site level. And same way we can write a short description about the product. So this way you can do the SEO for products also, for category level also, and for site level also. Okay, now in other case we are also having one facility in SEO section. You would have seen here we are having a section called auto generate SEO. This is generate SEO automatic. Okay, so you need to mention all the details over here, but how this auto generate SEO will work, on the basis of artificial intelligence, on the basis of your keywords, it will automatically, the system will do SEO for your website. Although it will take your keywords accordingly, but yes, if you are mentioning proper product description is very proper, all the titles, keywords, description, everything has been mentioned properly, the product name is written very properly, so all these things are very helpful for the artificial intelligence to do SEO. So here if we want to like do auto generate SEO, we will just click over here in this checkbox and we will save it from here. Okay, so this was how you can do SEO on 3 levels, on product, category, as well as on site level. Now I will show you one of my clients' website. I'll just go to this website. You can see here the website. So this website's name is missouri.in. Okay, you can see the website over here. They have mentioned all the details very properly, all the product details, the categories has been mentioned properly. Okay, now if I am going to Google, here I have already opened in Google. Suppose if I have mentioned their location is Missouri in Sobo. Okay, so if I have mentioned Missouri Sobo on Google and I search it, here you can see missouri.in. The website will be searched by the Google on the first. Okay, because they are our clients since 2-3 years and they have done SEO on a very good level. They are keeping on updating it. So this results into like Google search engine has used their keywords properly and they have like fixed Missouri Sobo, so they can look on to missouri.in firstly. So this is on, we can say it on site level. Now here I will see on category level also I can show you. If I search silver jhumkas in Ahmedabad and I'll just click enter, here again you can see Missouri silver jewelry. Okay, so the store name can be seen, so they have done the category level SEO also very properly. Same way if I go on product level, so here I am putting their products name. One of their products name is silver leaves danglers in Ahmedabad. Okay, so if I search with this name, here again you can see Missouri silver jewelry. So this is the way how you can do SEO, although it takes time, and if you keep on updating the SEO tags, the titles, the description, the keywords, then as much as people search your website, the website comes into Google search engine. Also you can do Facebook sharing if you are mentioning the keywords on Facebook. Also if you are doing Facebook ads, marketing is done properly. So all these things will be helpful in SEO and will be helpful for your business also. So SEO has to be done for an e-commerce website, and you have to mention all the SEO tags and titles, each and everything very properly, so that Google can search onto your website. You can do the registrations in, you can register your website in the business directories. There are several business directories For Google, you can go for Google search console. There you can submit your website. So all these, there are very there are very several things which can be done in SEO. But yes, if you do a proper SEO, if you hire somebody for doing a proper SEO, otherwise we are having a very good system in this SEO thing. So you can do all the things properly from here, and you can get a progress into your online business.